Good morning. Welcome to the vlog. How are y'all doing today? I'm trying to get situated. We are doing pretty good. We are headed to Clarksville. There's Mr. Bubba. We had a little change of plans. We got baby girl with us today. So, Molly is at work. And we are going to Clarksville. Because, and you're probably wondering why I'm wearing this headband. We're going to listen to the pull toy. That's nice. She's smiling. Is that so cute, honey?
Is that funny?
Do you love that? Is that your Woody? Is that your Woody doll? Yeah. Ow, ow. He hurt, didn't he? Oh, I guess I should buckle up. So anyway, now we're going to a Rosie the Riveter celebration. You can't see my shirt, I know. So anyway, we're going up there to do a little dedication. And I had to wear my Rosie outfit. Because, why not? So we're going to do that, and I'm going to vlog it. And we didn't think we were going to have baby girl with us today, but we do. We're glad. Yes, we are. We're so happy. G-Bubby's not even in here. He's so tall. Tall G-Bub. He's not really tall. Not really. We're kind of short people. I'm 5'3", you're 5'8"?
No, 7 maybe.
5'7". And baby girl is 6 feet tall. So, get in here. I can't, unless I get in your lap, I can't get closer. You got anything you want to say?
I can stop and get gas.
We're going to stop and get gas. Okay, so we are here at Mission Barbecue, and we got hung in traffic, so we missed the speech. Dang it. But anyway, this is my sister's father-in-law. He was in the Green Berets with John Wayne. So this is his photograph with John Wayne, and that's him when he was younger. And so that's really cool.
So I was going to ask you, you're not an Alabama fan, are you? No. All right, good. Good. Stay true to it.
Did you tell him about when you met at Half Arnold? Did you tell him that story? When he came to where y'all were working?
Yeah, he was the big general. He was the big one.
Yeah.
And everybody was so excited.
I'm sure.
Except me.
Except you.
And I was bashful. I was just bashful.
Yeah.
But when he come in, he came straight to my machine. And I think he did because he thought I didn't want to see him.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, he picked you out.
And everybody else, you know, after he left, everybody come running to me. You crazy? You must be crazy. You could have got these all over. I said, I didn't know.
You ain't got no use for
I was
that.
too bashful.
That's awesome. How many ladies did you work with at one time? There was,
Everybody. It was a time that everybody was patriotic.
Yeah.
It was a pretty patriotic
I'm
time.
quite sure.
That's what they did.
Tell him about the Rivet story when you and the other Rosie were trying to finish those, and you ended up with her because she had so much trouble, and you ended up being her partner, and you had just one more to do. You remember when you crawled up in the plane, and she was on the outside and she was bucking, or one of them were bucking it, and you remember that story?
Oh, when I got out because I was scared she was going to take us home.
Yeah, she was.
She kept punching. She started punching everything, you know. One of my kids is, one of my kids, stop good.
Run for your life!
But we we worked on the planes, and everybody was patriotic.
Yeah.
Just a real patriotic town.
That's awesome.
And,
That's the way it's supposed to
I got
be.
my $20 in Nashville, and I lied to him at first. I was supposed to be.
You were-
supposed to be 18 years old. You're supposed to have a high school diploma. All that. I didn't have none of that. I was just, so anyway,
15 years old.
yeah, and so anyway, I lied to him. And my cousin got a job too. She took no, she lied. She gonna quit, so she went and told him that she told the story, you know, and he let her go. And I thought, well, I didn't think that was bad, but maybe it is. So I went to him and got bothered me, and he started laughing. He said, I ain't gonna let you go. There had a whole bunch more like that. So I was happy then I had confessed,
Yeah.
and I didn't want to go.
So it wasn't weighing on you anymore, huh?
No.
And you did such a good job that they needed you. You
I
know?
mean, yeah, we did do a good job. I was patriotic, like I said, patriotic. And we was patriotic.
And you worked how many days a week?
Every day is all I know.
Every day? And how many hours every day?
I don't know.
It was like 10 or 12 hours a day, wasn't it?
Yeah, they kept us when they needed us, when they wanted us. And we worked on the planes, and we tied them down in the night when they parked them. We tied them down. The wings and the tail, and we tied them down. Then we called that working out on the line. Everything. I just can't tell you all of it. There's so much of it.
I know.
Did you ever get to fly in any of the airplanes that you?
No, they didn't take us up.
You didn't get to fly in any of them.
No, they didn't take us up unless we was going on a job or something. You know, something like that.
Yeah.
But first, just taking us on the door ride. No. Take us on the door rides.
That's a shame.
But we worked out on.
Yeah.
They tied the planes out. They called that working out on the line. And then we tied them down. It had to be a certain way you tied the wings down in the front and the back. And if you asked me to tie that down, it had to be a certain height.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I couldn't do it.
No.
I
I
don't
think you
forgot.
remember it.
Yeah.
The way we tie them, it's kind of simple. If we're tying a wing down, it goes through you loop through the eye, and then you go around the little tail and down, and then you do it again, right? And down.
I forgot. I could do it then.
I bet you do it.
I did it then. I enjoyed it. Everybody, like I said, everybody was patriotic.
Oh yeah.
People was really patriotic.
But like I said, all these, I mean, I could sit here for hours and hours and hours and tell you stories. I can't wait to get yours up. So
One more story.
We'll have more stories. That's
We'll be back
right.
to see it.
Can you say night-night? She's saying no. Yeah. Yeah. I love you. Hey, sweet girl. I see you in the morning. I love you. Well, guys, that brings us to the end of another day. There is the Baba. There is.
There I be.
We had an awesome time in Clarksville, and I'm sorry that I didn't get to, hold on. Gosh, there we go. I'm sorry I didn't get to film more of that than I did. They have some rules there, and we're gonna see if maybe we can go back and, sorry, I feel like I got something on my teeth. Do I have something on my teeth?
No.
Just teeth?
Yeah. Maybe
All
on
right.
the bottom.
On the bottom.
Yeah, on the bottom tooth, right?
See, that's what you do when you've been married this long. You pick each other's teeth. That's so gross. I hope your hands are clean.
No,
Oh,
they're
yeah.
not.
Oh, gross. No, that's not true. We just shampooed baby girl's hair. He did. So your hands better be clean. it has been one heck of a day. It's been a long day. Thanks for hanging out with us. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed hearing about Rosie the Riveter. We're so proud of my aunt. You, seriously, I recommend, and I'm going to put a link in the description, for you to go to Mission Barbecue and go to their mission stories, because they're important. They honor not just all branches of the military, but Rosie the Riveter, our public service employees, police officers, firefighters, things like that. They're a really neat group, and I'm not kidding you. They could not have been more accommodating.
They were very accommodating.
Super nice people. Great, great, great manager. His name is Sean. We just appreciated them a whole bunch. And we appreciate you guys. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Click on that subscribe button if you haven't already. Leave us a comment, hit the notification bell, and share. Always. I'm wheezing. I don't know what's going on. Every time I breathe, I hear it. Thanks, guys, and we will see you tomorrow for the next Vlogmas. Bye.